The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 146. Officers and servants, and the expenses of the Supreme Court. 1. Appointments of officers and servants of the Supreme Court shall be made by the Chief Justice of India, or such other judge, or officer of the court, as he may direct. Provided that, the President may by rule, require that, in such cases as may be specified in the rule, no person not already attached to the court, shall be appointed to any office connected with the court, save after consultation with the Union Public Service Commission. 2. Subject to the provisions of any law made by Parliament, the conditions of service of officers and servants of the Supreme Court shall be such as may be prescribed by rules made by the Chief Justice of India, or by some other judge, or officer of the court, authorized by the Chief Justice of India to make rules for the purpose. Provided that the rules made under this clause shall, so far as they relate to salaries, allowances, leave or pensions, require the approval of the President. 3. The administrative expenses of the Supreme Court, including all salaries, allowances and pensions payable to or in respect of the officers and servants of the court, shall be charged upon the Consolidated Fund of India, and any fees or other monies taken by the court, shall form part of that fund.